Hello, let's learn today the difference between the letter K and the hard C. Firstly, let's remember together that letter C has two different sounds, hard and soft. The sound of hard C is k, as the sound of letter K. The two letters has the same sound. C, hard C, and letter K has the same sound, K. When do we write K sound as K, and when do we write the K sound as hard C? We write the K sound as C when you found or when the letter is followed by one of three letters, A or O or U, A or O or U. When the letter is followed by one of these, A or O or U, you can put C. Cat, cow, cute, carrot, cabbage, camel, cube, cucumber. And we write the K sound as K when the letter is followed by I or E or Y. Kite, key, kitchen, kids, kind, and keyboard. We write the K sound as C when the letter C is followed by A or O or U. And we write the K sound as K when it followed by I or E or Y. Kite, key, kitchen, kind, kids. This is the difference between letter K and hard C. These two letters have the same sound, K sound, but we choose C when it followed by A or O or U, and we choose K when it followed by I or E or Y. Have a great day. Goodbye.